Hello! Today we have another highly anticipated STAMPtember exclusive set, and it's an adorable holiday set from Mama Elephant. Merry Mail is definitely a must-have for your holiday card making. I love that little flying Santa. As with the other exclusive STAMPtember collaborations, this is a limited set, and once it's sold out, it's gone for good. Many of the exclusive collaboration sets are beginning to sell out, so don't wait too long to pick up your favorites. To start, I stamped some of the images from Merry Mail onto white cardstock with VersaFine and heat embossed them with clear embossing powder before coloring them with Copics. While I'm coloring here, I wanted to apologize for the video quality. I'm currently in the process of switching from recording with my iPhone to an actual video camera that I know is capable of recording much better than this. But there's some user setting somewhere that I've messed up and I'm still trying to figure it out, so thanks for bearing with me. And if there are any Canon experts here, please feel free to let me know what I'm doing wrong. After I finished coloring, I fussy cut my images and then created a background for my extra long scene. I blended tumbled glass, broken china, chipped sapphire, and black soot distressing onto the panel and set it with my heat gun. Then I spritzed it with clear iridescent spray and blotted off the excess. Next, I flicked it with white acrylic paint and let it dry. When it was dry, I trimmed it down to a 4x8" panel and placed it in my MISTI. I stamped the stitched loopy word onto the panel with Versamark and heat embossed it with white embossing powder. Then I stamped the rest of the sentiment and heat embossed it with white embossing powder. Next, I colored in the area behind the strings of my parachutes with Copic markers that mostly matched my distressed inked background. Then I used white pigment ink to stamp the solid and stitched outline clouds across the panel for a subtle pattern. I used foam dots to adhere the stamped images to my card, and then added accents with a white gel pen, Spectrum Noir Clear Sparkle, and Nuvo Crystal Glaze to finish the card. that's it. You can find links to my blog and all of the products I used in the YouTube description below. And if you liked my video, please give it a thumbs up so YouTube knows you'd like to see more from me. Thanks so much for watching, have a wonderful day, and happy STAMPtember! Bye!